Paper Faces, it is KlaireeBerry. I'm going to do a what I eat in a day video. This is a Friday, and I am just going to do a voiceover because I didn't want to talk at work. So I had my green juice, 2 of those. I had 6 little mandarin oranges, and then I moved on to my protein powder, which this is my very expensive protein powder that I've been using lately. I just love the flavor of it. It's so good. Then I had my favorite massaged kale salad. It's just got ACV, apple cider vinegar, liquid aminos, and some nooch in it. And then I went ahead and had some leftover spinach that I had. I had a little bit of rice and beans and tomatoes and corn and stuff from my Chipotle that I had put on top of it the other day. Actually pretty full after that, but a little while later, my coworkers wanted to order Chinese and kind of have a talk. So I went ahead and got the diet dish with steamed veggies, no butter, and white rice.
Hey guys, so I'm just working on some videos tonight. Didn't make it out to Anonymous for the Voiceless Cubo Truth tonight. We were all just too tired. I was going to take my kids. I hate going out there alone. I had the Chinese food, had some leftover broccoli. Did not eat all the sauce, just used the little bits of the sauce that they gave me. It is the diet dish, if you are wondering. This is just lemonade with spirulina added. So I've already had a little bit of this. I'm just like, enjoying a Friday night. No alcohol, no weed, nothing. Drinking out of my little wine glass, so I feel fancy. And it's keeping me energized. It's keeping me going. I was so tired when I got home from work because I had eaten pretty much 2 lunches. Like I had that bagel and stuff, and that was more than enough. I was feeling fine after that, and I was like, okay. I was just really bored with work. I was like, it's Friday afternoon, This was only like my 2nd week back, full week of work of the year. So we were like, we're all ready to go. And it's a little bit stressful of a time at work right now, getting ready for graduation and all of that. And we also had layoffs this week. And so there was a lot of stress regarding if I was going to get laid off or not. Thankfully, I'm not. One of the counselors had asked if we wanted to go ahead and get some food with her, even though he had already eaten a little bit. We're like, yeah, we better eat and just get, just talk and kind of take a little break. But anyway, so I got that, and I was really full after having like 2 lunches. I was like, whoo. Plus, I just kind of get like that on Fridays. Like I'm an introvert, so I have like enough stimulation. I just need some like decompression time. So when I got home, I just kind of laid down in my bed for a minute, scrolled through Instagram or whatever, and then I took the dog for a walk. And after getting, moving again and in the sunlight and fresh air and everything, thoughts flowing freely, I just really felt so much better. Also eating these, throwing on the floor too. That's 5-second rule. My floor is actually really dirty right now, but I'm totally gonna eat it anyway. Anyway, these are my favorite candy if you guys don't know about these. It's so good. Yum Earth brand. Vegan, no peanuts, no tree nuts, no high fructose corn syrup. Well, it says certified USDA organic right there on the tops. It's flavored and colored from things like blueberries, carrots, radish, apple, radish, things like that. They're so sour, and I just love sour stuff. And these are so great. I'll let you know if anything else.
Josh talked me into getting Chipotle, so I got my usual white rice, black beans, all the veggies, and side of guac so I can give it to the boys. This is about 7 grams of fat or so. So I really enjoy this. I love Chipotle. They're non-GMO. They've got recyclable and compostable bowls and whatnot. So just love them. That's what I ate today. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to eat your fruit. Thanks.